Welcome to Puerto Vallarta. Today we're getting off the Discovery Princess and we're going to the Puerto Vallarta Highlights and Mexican Cooking Class Excursion that we booked through Princess Cruises. At the time of filming, it was $64.95 per person. We start with a 20-minute drive that will take us to downtown Puerto Vallarta. We were here on October the 30th, so you can see that Puerto Vallarta is getting all decorated for the Day of the Dead celebration.
Puerto Vallarta, it is the best place for the whale watching activity in all my country. All right, we got the #1 place on the whale watching activity. You don't have to pay for the tour for the whale watching. Okay, you can see the whales just right here from the boardwalk jumping on the water. Governor from the Jalisco state. Remember, we are by Jalisco state. All right, Puerto Vallarta is just another city from Jalisco.
We stopped to see Our Lady of Guadalupe Church. It was magnificent inside. If you have mobility issues, this may not be the excursion for you. There's a lot of rough terrain, steps with no handrails. I had a lot of difficulty walking around on the prosthetic. Still continuing our walk here in Puerto Vallarta. It's our second stop on our way to our excursion.
Yes, you can combine this delicious ice cream with a big shot of tequila, okay, back there. So it's up to you guys. If you want to feel like a Mexican, please do it, okay? Whatever you need, right here on the ice cream, you're gonna cool off first of all.
Now it's time for our 10-minute ride to La Dulce Vista. This is where we will be doing our Mexican cooking class and sampling different tequilas to go with those food items. Also note that the minimum drinking age here is 21. To the left here is a room where we sampled our first tequilas. Now we're heading out to the restaurant area where there will be the food and of course more tequila. The staff here were very friendly.
Hey!
Hello, my amigo!
Amigo!
Hello!
This is a beautiful resort, friendly employees, and a great welcoming committee as well. Okay, I'm hungry. Let's get some food going. Okay, Robin from Sea Lake Journeys is trying her first bite of the sauce she made.
So hot. So good.
They're hot because we put habanero and serrano peppers in it, both peppers.
You can really taste the smoke flavor.
Can you?
Really taste the smoke flavor, yeah.
The chips we have are very crunchy. Oh, these are good chips.
Yeah.
The salsa that we
Flour in
made
them, though.
is super hot. I mean, it'll light you up.
It will light you up.
Are you lit up?
I'm lit up.
Okay, so we just made our guacamole. Oh, does that not look good or what?
Now for the secret ingredient.
Robin from Sea Lake Journeys.
Mexican candy.
So, no, Robin's from Sea Lake Journeys loved the guacamole, but I took a spoonful of my salsa from the first one that was habanero hot, put it in my guacamole. Now that's amazing.
So now we're making a tostada with chicken, cheese, white queso, lettuce, and some beans. Yum, yum. So this is what my tostada looked like. Of course, I added some guacamole to it too. Man, was it good. And Robin from Sea Lake Journeys is having her gluten-free version of it, because everything she eats in this video is gluten-free. I would order this again. Next up, we're going to try an enchilada. This is an enchilada, the real deal from Mexico. Let's try it. That's good. I would order it again.
There you go.
That's a thumbnail all the way.
So, what is it called?
Enchilada.
Enchilada. Enchilada. Is it chicken?
Enchilada. Yeah, chicken.
Chicken.
Oh yeah.
Chicken enchilada. This, my gluten-free friends, is gluten-free. This, we can eat the whole plate. And we're going to down it with a mango margarita. Let's see. And we know it's gluten-free because it's stiff.
I'm gluten-free too.
I want my guacamole. Here we go.
Right. Get some salsa if you want it.
So this is what I say. It's, even with all this sauce on the plate, it's bland. My opinion is it's bland. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna add some of our spicy salsa we made. We're gonna add that to it. I know you that's gonna spice that up.
Oh yeah, I need one more too.
Definitely add more flavor with the salsa.
Would you order that again?
I would order that again.
The total time for this excursion was 5 hours. There was quite a bit of walking. I did not see any accessibility really that would allow for scooters and wheelchairs like we're used to here in the States. 3 hours of our time were spent here at La Dolce Vista. We spent 40 minutes in downtown Puerto Vallarta. That included visiting the church. Let's take a walk and find out what some of the amenities here are. For instance, bicycles you can ride. There's also a swing. Do you feel like just hanging around? How about in a hammock? After some rest and some more tequila, Robin from Sea Lake Journeys is ready for the trampoline. How about you? Don't forget to bring your bathing suit and a towel so you can jump in that beautiful pool here at La Dolce Vista. On our way back to the port, we stop at a local bakery to pick up some snacks. Be sure to bring some cash so you don't miss out on this.
What do you got?
Sprinkle donut for you.
You got a donut for me.
A sprinkle donut
Wow.
with chocolate icing.
So what did it cost?
Well, I did $1, but it's like 60 cents.
Yeah.
So. Come on! Let's get a picture.
Listen, before we get back on the ship, we got a new friend here. Right, what's your name?
Boaz.
Who's that?
Boaz.
Boaz. I love it.
He
It's a
has been on
fireman.
every
Yeah, roof
excursion
open.
with. Today's the first excursion he's not been with us. He did the camel riding with us.
That's it. Well, we're glad to meet you, Boaz.
Thank you. It was nice to meet you guys too.
Woohoo! Duty free. This is the only duty free shop we've had in 3 stops.
One thing we love about Princess is they have those cold, wet washcloths waiting for you when you come back from your excursion before you get back on the ship.
Great day here in Mazatlan. Wouldn't you say so?
Are we in Mazatlan? Is that where we
No.
are?
Great day here in Puerto Vallarta. See what tequila does to you. Don't act like you ain't drunk. You do not think you are, but you don't even know where you are.
Don't act like you're in. Wait a minute. Don't act like you're in Mazatlan when you're really in Puerto Vallarta.
Indeed. Well said, Robin from Sea Lake Journeys.
Thanks for joining us here in Puerto Vallarta today, part of our 7-day Mexican Riviera cruise on the Discovery Princess. We are Sea Lake Journeys. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.
If you would like to support this channel, please consider becoming a member or hit the super thanks icon below. We really do appreciate it. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.